Waiting around for someone to search or depending on third-party leads is so pre-pandemic. You see, there's a better way to proactively reach, engage, influence, and sell all without guessing if your advertising is working. Let's go beyond 2019 strategies that used to work and focus on 2022 strategies that will leapfrog your dealership beyond the competition. You see, when you fundamentally change where you're having conversations, you win more customers before your competition even knows they were buyers in the first place. So if your dealership is looking to move up in local, regional, or national rankings, then you need to learn about 7 direct-to-consumer platforms. As a local dealer, you have a huge competitive advantage over national advertisers who need to reach over 40,000 zip codes. You only need to reach your local area of responsibility. Unfortunately, many dealers lack the strategy to directly reach, engage, and convert these opportunities without the help of third parties. But when you hand over your inventory and your advertising dollars to these third parties, you create competition against you and overpay along the way. Hi, I'm Pete Peterson, CEO of Dealers United, and we're going to cover 7 platforms you need to use in 2022. We'll dive into each of these platforms and show you how they fit into an omni-channel strategy so shoppers know you, trust you, and buy from you. When we're done, you'll have the confidence and the strategy to directly market to your local community without the dependency of solutions designed to compete against you. So take control today, and I look forward to speaking with you at NADA in Las Vegas. We'll see you soon.